Okay, here we have a TURNPRO 14 by 40 inch lathe, and we have it powered up so you can watch it run. We'll pull out the E-stop, light goes on, turn it off and on with the switch here. Here's your auto feed right here. First we'll go over here. Just turn that off for a moment. We've checked all the speeds on here. Everything appears to operate very nicely. A little slower speed. Okay. Super high speed right there. Alright, we'll go to the apron here. Here's your forward. And reverse. Engage the apron for the threading. Going the opposite direction. Here's your crop speed. It also includes the 2-axis digital readout. Turn the machine off. Yeah, this unit is used. It's in relatively good condition. It's got some trace metal shavings on it, on the bedway here. Doesn't appear to have too much use. It does have some surface rust on the unpainted parts, as you can see right here. Does not include the tool post. Okay, this is just basically cosmetic surface rust. That could be cleaned off very easily. We checked all the functions on here, and all the functions appear to operate very nicely. So you do your manual longitudinal feed here. the cross feed. It all operates. Now it does not include the handles for the hand wheels here. Okay. We checked all the speeds on here and all the feed speeds for the cross slide and the longitudinal feed. Everything appears to be in order. Got some small paint scratches. The digital readout does not have too much signs of use. It does not include a bracket for the digital readout, so you'll have to obtain one of those. Alright. It includes a chuck key and a backing plate. And that's about it. Also, it does include the drip pan. Okay, it's not mounted to the machine right now. We got to put some new screws on here to hold the backsplash on. Okay, and last but not least, this one of these holes right here, you'll see in one of the photos, it actually snapped off from the gearbox, so that'll have to be repaired. You do have one good bolt hole here with an Allen bolt, and it's a little bit loose. As you can see, I'm rocking it right here. Doesn't affect the operation of the machine whatsoever at all. Okay, like I said, this will have to be replaced. You can see it right here. If I can get up that close up there. As we stated, overall it's in relatively good shape.